Everyone, welcome to a new video. Guys, in this video I will discuss about how to study effectively and optimum utilizations of available limited time. We have a limited time for study. So in this video I will discuss about 7 tips to study effectively and optimum utilizations of our available time. So first one, we need to become the tech friendly. Okay guys, nowadays I have already prepared the best telegram channel or best WhatsApp group where you will find the required document required. You can say if you need any reference book, so easily you will get. Okay, or still you have any doubt on any you have any questions, so in the telegram channel or WhatsApp group you can ask, and the member of the telegram channel or WhatsApp group respective, they will deliver the answer of your question. So I can assure that these are the, you have to become tech friendly. Okay, if you are doing traveling time during your articleship, you need to optimum utilization of the available traveling time. You can read three pages per day during your traveling time of theoretical subject. Apart from this, in the headphone you can read out any theoretical subject. This will be helpful. So please optimum utilization of and now become tech friendly. We are seeing that now technology is increasing day by day, and the importance of technology is increasing day by day. So we are a professional one, and we are tech friendly. Now the second point is that always make a strategy. Okay, always make a strategy. Okay, we need to understand ourselves. Okay, we need to understand ourselves, and accordingly we need to optimum utilization, and we need to make a study plan accordingly, according to our strategy. Okay, now the third point is that always I give suggestion to every CMA student. Okay, for practical paper, make a register in which you contain the study note wise all the formulas or all the practical question, in which contain the all solution of all practical question. I can assure you that this will be benefit whenever you are revising. It will save your time. You need not to find this where I'll get the solution of this problem. So please understand that. Okay, please make a fair register for all practical question, and for theoretical question you can make your handwritten notes. This will be beneficial whenever you are revising and before the 1.5 day exam strategy. So hoping that you are understanding. The fourth point is that fourth point I will suggest to every student. Nowadays we are seeing that there is due to the lockdown, or you can say that due to the pandemic, we are not taking the face-to-face class. But whenever the situation will overcome, so my suggestion to you, if you your house is far away from your coaching classes, and 1.5 hour is taking to one side for the traveling time, so my suggestion to you, you should prefer the Google Drive or pen drive classes. It will save your traveling time, it will save your money, or it will save your tiredness. Okay, during the traveling you will feel some tired. Okay, and my suggestion to you, Google Drive, pen drive classes are the best one. Okay, and the fourth point is that if you are reading theoretical subject, so my suggestion to you guys, after 25 minutes or as per your convenience, take a small break. After 25 minutes you can say that, and if you are doing take a 5 or 10 minute break where you can wash your mouth, or you can water, you can take a you can close your eyes or take a snap, you can say snap. Okay, a little snap. So take a 10 or 15 minutes, it will become your effective. Okay, you need not to feel pressure, or you need not to just focus on your study and study whole day. So hoping that you are getting my point. Okay, for practical subject, at least after 45 minutes you can take a small break, and for theoretical subject at least 25 minutes as per my convenience, but you can make your own strategy. Okay, and the fifth point is that guys, whenever you have completed your syllabus, okay, whenever you have completed your syllabus, you have revised 2 times. Now now you have to practice for paper. Take only one paper. Okay, or 3 hours you need to solve all the paper. Okay, and you need to judge yourself ki how during the 3 hours how many marks you have completed. Okay, so you need to analyze yourself, you need to do quite introspection in yourself. So hoping that you are getting my point. Apart from this, the seventh point is that the seventh point which is important, that you need to choose one in choosing your social media. Okay, telegram channel I'm saying okay, WhatsApp group I'm saying okay, to ask the reference book, to ask the notes, to solve your queries. Apart from this, nowadays I'm seeing that the road of messenger and telegram is not that much. Okay, so please avoid in social media. Do not see the web series. We are seeing that now the trend of web series are coming. In a season, particular season, 7 or 9 episodes are coming, and these are the, you can say that we we are habitual to see all the 9 seasons at a once. So please please optimum utilizations of social medias, okay, and please optimum utilization of available time. We have a limited time, so please optimum utilization, and these are the 7 tips which I can assure that, okay. So hope still you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you follow this 7 strategy, I can assure that you can easily crack your exam. Still you need any guidance or you have any question, you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you. From my side, that's all about this video. Bye guys.